let us look at the cycle that is not centered in the origin. So when the cycle is not centered at the origin, it means the coordinates of A or B are something. So now, I said each general equation is going to be this one. It's x minus A all squared into y minus B all squared equal to r squared, okay? Now, the first question, it says, determine the coordinate of the center and the length of the riders. Let us look at the given equation. It's x minus 4 all squared, y plus 3 all squared equal to 18. So this is the given equation. We want to determine the coordinate of the center and the length of the riders. For the coordinate of the center, for the x value expression of the center, we're going to equate this to 0. We're going to say x minus 4 equal to 0, and solve for x is equal to 4. And equate this to 0 as well. So y plus 3 equal to 0, y equal to minus 3. So the coordinate of the center is going to be 4 is to minus 3. These are the coordinates of the center. Okay? Now, for the length of the radius, it's very easy. This is equal to r squared. So I'm going to say r squared equal to 18. You put square root on both sides. R equal to 18, it's 9 times 2. This is 3 root 2 units. It's very important to write units because this is the length. Okay? Now, let us carry on. Let's say we want to find a coordinate of the center and the length of the radius in this one. So look at this. When you are given the formula in this nature, it's very important to write it in this form. So to write it in this form, we are going to complete a square. So look at this. We're going to say this is x squared minus 5x. We're going to say plus half the coefficient of x, which is minus 5, you square it, plus y squared, plus 6y, plus the half the coefficient of y, which is 6, you square it. Even on the right hand side, you're going to say plus half the coefficient of x, which is minus 5, squared, plus half the coefficient of y, which is 6, squared, okay? Let us look at this. It's x squared minus 5x plus, who 1 times minus 5? It's minus 5 over 2 squared plus y squared plus 6y, who half of 6 or 3 squared equal to 9 plus, who minus 5 squared, or minus 5 over 2 squared, it's 25 over 4. Who 3 squared, it's also 9. Now, let's try to factorize this, okay? So this is going to be x minus 5 over 2 into x minus 5 over 2. In this one, it's y plus 3 into y plus 3, okay? Now, this is equal to 9 plus 9 plus 25 over 4. This is 97 over 4, okay? So you can say this is x over 5 over 2 all squared into y plus 3 all squared equal to 97 over 4, okay? Now, let's equate this to 0. So we're going to say x minus 5 over 2 equal to 0, or y plus 3 equal to 0. So x equal to 5 over 2. Y equal to minus 3. The coordinate is going to be 5 over 2 is to minus 3. Okay? Then r squared is equal to 97 over 4. You put square root on both sides. R equal to square root of 97 over 2 units. So in length is always positive. That's why I'm taking a positive square root of 97 over 2. Thank you.